Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Well, today I love it. I love these sort of projects when you can get dirty and you can just let your creativity does all the work. Guys, before I show you what we make sure you wear gloves. Today we're going to be playing with some nail varnish to create some really interesting marble technique. So if you guys like this arty tutorial, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today I'm going to be sharing how I do my manicure using, I'm joking. So today we are going to be playing, no I'm not having a manicure, we're going to be playing with some, what do you call this, nail varnish. Now these are super cheap. I think it's about 3, 6, 9, 12 and I paid what? £15 I think, very cheap. So they are the Max Spencer, the Obsessed, the cheap range. Bought them for Christmas. In fact no, I pay less because I think they went into sale, so I think I paid at half price, so £7.50, something like that. So super cheap. Because I want to make some I wanted to do some background, and I wanted to use some nail varnish to get some marble effect. I've asked Jamie if you can ask his janitor's teams at work to give me some gloves. Bless him, he got me some gloves, but they are for Barbies. I mean, they don't even, I mean, my hand, and it's not even, no, look, it's that tiny. I don't know what Jamie's thinking, but he knows I've got big hands. So yeah, so I'm gonna wear a glove like that, just enough to cover. Oh dear me. Yes, welcome to my word. To cover my nails, because I don't want the nail polish to go on my nails. No, it won't go through. I will break them. So I'm going to switch I'm gonna put it, I can't speak English, so I'm going to put some music on because I need to open the window, because otherwise I will literally faint for the smell of nail varnish. I do love the smell of nail varnish. Do you guys do? I absolutely love them. I remember when my mum used to paint nails when I was little, I used to go like that and smell the tab, and I absolutely love the smell. I know it's toxic, so I will open the window, and because my neighbours decided to cut the grass, it's very noisy. So and also you don't want to see me doing this, so I'm gonna speed it up a bit, put some music on the background so you can have like a little cha-cha-cha, so you can have a little dance as you watch my video. If you want to, please feel free to get up the chair or sofa, wherever you sit while you watch this video, and feel free to shake your butt or shake your boobies. So feel free to dance. I'm going to open the window and I'm gonna have some fun. Now I'm hoping that this glitter will work, but I have no faith because they are very cheap. So right, let's have some fun. Okay guys, let me show you the result. Oh, I wish you could touch this. Was actually a mistake, because when I did this sort of movement to collect the nail varnish from the water, I was really pleased about the front of this, because I don't know if you can see them, but you can see the little glitter on the background. So I love it. But also I was happily surprised about the front part. Now I wish you were here because this part is very tactile. Like you could probably see the glittery part, but also the nail varnish for some reason grooms all together in here. So yeah, very happy with that. That's another one. Just gonna show you really quickly. So that's the front and that is the back. Some of them, because I put it, when I put them on the mat to dry, they basically attach one another, so to peel them off I ruined them, but never mind, I'm sure I'll find something to do with it. I love this sort of project because it's completely random. Can you see the glitter there? Yeah, if I do this, you probably see it. I can see them perfectly in real life, but on camera, oh yes, they are super fun. Super fun. So what we're gonna do, because I don't want to make this video too long, maybe if you guys are interested, we do a separate video, maybe like next week or something, where I show you what to do with those, because I got a couple of ideas. This is another one of favorite, when you got your blue, your glitter, and that, I wish you could feel them. I love the texture part of it. Look at that, look at this. See the glitter? So if you've got some nail varnish, old nail varnish that you don't use, especially the one with glitter, I would definitely use. Yeah, this unfortunately was all ruined. So that's the back, that's the front. That's another one full on glitter. So that's the back, that's the front. I have used photograph paper. This is why they're very shiny. And last but not least, is probably my favorite because it's very dark, is this one here. So you've got your blue, your pink and your red and the glitter green all together. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So yeah, I'm going to quickly put them on. I mean, this is not very good, but yeah, guys, I hope I give you some ideas and some something quite arty crafty to do. These sort of projects are ideal to do with kids as well. So if you, I don't know, if you're babysitting them, or I don't know, if you you know, if you have kids around, as long as you wear gloves, make sure they're on the right size, not like myself, because at the end of the day I was just giving up because it was so uncomfortable. So yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Honestly guys, it means the world to me. Today's shout out goes to the lovely Ginny's, and I will put Ginny's comment on the screen. Ginny said that I'm a ray of sunshine. Well, thank you Ginny. We do really need some sunshine here in UK because at the moment it's raining really bad. We had a couple of days of good proper summer, but yeah, it's not proper summer here, I'm afraid. But thank you so much. And you know, with my videos and my tutorial, if I bring a smile to your face, guys, or if I bring a bit of happiness, that means I have done a good job, and that's the best reward on this planet. So comments like Ginny's makes me very, very, very happy. Thank you. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, the usual big thumbs up is always much appreciated. Thank you. Guys, I will put a couple of links here on the video. One where we made a similar technique, and I made, I think it was one of the videos I made literally when I just launched the channel 4 years ago, long time. We make some marbles, cards, and random another video when we make a marble cake. Yes. One of my passion is cooking, so click on the link, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.